In this video, we'll show you how to use List Perfectly to manage multi-quantity listings. The tools demonstrated are currently available only for Business and Pro Plan members. First, here's how to note multi-quantity listings in your LP catalog. Head to your listing in your LP catalog by going to My Listings. Click the Edit icon to proceed to the Edit Listing page. Scroll down to the Keywords, Pricing, and Quantities section, and input the number of units in the Quantity field. Next, here's what to do when you make a sale of a multi-quantity listing. In this example, our multi-quantity listing began with 5 units and is active on both eBay and Poshmark. 1 unit has sold on eBay, so the current available quantity is 4. Our first step is to update the available remaining quantities on the marketplaces. Again, head to your listing in your LP catalog. Under the Platforms column, you'll see all the marketplaces your listing is currently active on. To update the quantity on each marketplace, simply click on the marketplace name. You'll be taken directly to your active listing on that marketplace, where you can easily edit and update your listing quantity. Our second step is to update the available remaining quantities in your LP catalog. Return to your listing and click on the Edit icon to edit listing. Scroll down to Keywords, Pricing, and Quantity, and update the number of available units in the Quantity field. Finally, we'll demonstrate how to track sales analytics for multi-quantity listings in your LP catalog. Whenever a unit of a multi-quantity listing sells, head to that listing in your LP catalog and make a duplicate of it by clicking this duplicate icon. You'll arrive at the Edit Listing page for the duplicated listing. Scroll to Keywords, Pricing, and Quantity. Change the quantity to 1. Then, scroll to Inventory and Sales and look toward the Platform ID section. Delete all item numbers in this section and then click Save Progress. This is the most important step. Do not proceed until all item numbers have been removed from this section and you have saved your progress. Once you've double-checked that all item numbers are removed and that your progress is saved, select Sold. Then select the platform that your listing sold on. In this example, we'll select eBay. Lastly, look to the top of the Inventory and Sales section and input your values for fees, shipping costs, and total sold price. You'll notice that your profit will be calculated for you and you may adjust the date sold if necessary. When you're finished, click Update. You'll now find in your LP catalog the duplicated listing, which represents the single unit that just sold. In its platform column, you can see which marketplace it's sold on. Finally, let's take a look at how this shows up in Sales Analytics. Access your sales data by hovering over listings in the top navigation bar and clicking Sales Analytics. On your Sales Analytics page, you'll see that your newly sold listing has been recorded with all of its important sales information. And that's it! Thank you for viewing this demo on how to manage multi-quantity listings using List Perfectly's Business or Pro plan.